Have you got 5 minutes? Excellent. I'm Jensuya. This is Drummer Bob, and we're going to do a 5-minute belly dance workout for absolute beginners. We're going to focus on the vertical hip shimmy. If you don't already know that move, you should pause this video now and check out our tutorial on that move. You can find a link in the info card or in the description. And then come right back here because we're going to start right in basic belly dance posture. We'll start with 4 beats per hip, then 2 beats, then 1 beat, and then we'll go at full speed. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Keeping our knees bent, keeping our chest lifted, taking all of the beats to do the drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Getting the rhythm in our head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Doom, doom, tech-a-tech, doom, tech-a-tech, doom, doom, tech-a-tech, doom, tech-a-tech, doom, doom, tech-a-tech, doom, tech-a-tech, doom, doom, tech-a-tech, doom, tech-a-tech. The rhythm melody. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting ready to do 2 beats with our hip. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 beats, 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 2 beats. I'm isolating the move by keeping my knees bent and my chest lifted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Have my arms out, my shoulders dropped, not pulled up here, dropped. You can check out our playlist of common mistakes if you find that you're having trouble, and leave me a comment. If you're still like, I'm checking that out, but I still can't get it, Jensuya, leave me a comment. Oops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting ready to do single beats. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Dropping my arms because they're getting a little tired, but still staying nice and lifted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not bouncing, keeping my knees bent so I isolate that move. Are you doing that? Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, holding the posture is a lot of work. That's why it's such a great workout. I mean, it doesn't look like you're jumping around with aerobics, but where everything is engaged. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You can check out the tutorial on posture. All of those go into very slowly great detail so that you can go back and refine your moves. We're going to get ready to do half a beat. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when I'm going this fast, I have to really 1, 2, 3, 4. Really focus. It's hard to do while I'm talking. Keep my chest lifted. Weight on my feet. 2, 3, 4. Hip, hip, hip. I'm thinking of 1 hip, 1 hip, 1 hip, 1 hip, 1 hip as I keep my count, but I have to make the motion the same on both hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Getting ready to go at full speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Getting a good workout? It's toning everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Let's go back to 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to full speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after this video, you'll want to do another 5-minute workout. You can do another one for absolute beginners where we focus on the timing and technique of just one move at a time, or you can do a challenge. You can do the Shimmy challenge workout. And if that's a little bit hard, watch it, visualize it, image it, come back to the basics, and try it again later. So we're going to count down from 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Mabruk, congratulations, you're on your way to becoming an awesome belly dancer. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure that you get every one of our videos. What to watch next is another belly dance workout. You can do a challenge or another absolute beginner workout to work on your technique and your drills. We'll see you on the next video.